Welcome on everyone. I've just arrived at the unit, just had a pallet delivered, so I'm going to sort my way through that, get that all unpalletised and stocked up on the shelves. Then I'm going to be cracking on with low bore hook baits and wafters so we can get them all back into stock. We've got some sweet cream wafters, super fruit wafters and some trap getting topped up today. So if you have been waiting for them to come back in stock, fill your boots, they'll be back on the website within a couple of days, but I'll give you an update on them over the next few days. And I might even do a little video later on to show you what they look like. So enjoy your day.